welcome to Virtual Crafts. In the last video we saw in detail how we can install a WordPress theme, and this is where we left off. In this video we'll see how we can create a menu. Basically what a website actually is, that it's a collection of web pages connected in some way, and to put those web pages together we use menus. So let's get started with the process of how we can create menus in WordPress. We log into our dashboard by appending the string wp-admin at the end of our website URL. Hover over Appearance tab and click on Menus. Initially there is no menu present, so we will create a new menu. Let's name it Man Menu. Click on Create Menu. Okay, the menu has now been created, but as I already said that we put together various pages in our menus. So we will first have to create some pages to insert in our menu. So head to the Pages tab in the dashboard. By default we have a privacy policy and a sample page present in the WordPress, but we need to create new pages. Click on Add New. Name your page. I'll name this one Home and click Publish. Now this page is live. Click on Add New again. Create another page and let's say name it Portfolio. Click Publish. Let's create some more pages. Click Add New again. Make a contact page. Publish. Add New. Let's name this one Services and Publish. Okay, we've created some pages. Let's now get to our menu and add these pages to the menu. We have all the pages listed here that we currently have on our website. This is the most recent tab, so it might not have all the pages you currently have on your website. For that you can click View All tab. Click on the pages you want to add to your menu. We'll add these 4 pages we just created and click Add to Menu. Okay, we have these pages listed in our menu. Click Save Menu and now visit the website. Let's see how it looks. Okay, the menu of our website is now updated, but it still has the sample page which we did not include in our menu. To remove this one, we'll have to check a checkbox. Make this a primary menu and save menu. Now refresh the website again and you'll see that that page is gone, and now we have only those pages that we have added in the menu. An important point here that we need to have a front page for our website, that whenever our link of our website is searched, that page appears by default. We have not set that page up, so let's set our front page first. In dashboard, click Customize under Appearance. Under the home page settings, change this radio button to a static page, and then you'll have to select a home page. We've created the home page, so we will select that page as our front page, and for posts page we can use any page on which we will show our posts. Okay, that's all. Click Publish and refresh your website again. Now home page is set as our front page, so even if you are at any other page like Services, so when you click your logo or your store name, it will get you to the home page because this is set as our front page. Getting back, you can order these pages according to you. Simply click this page and drag it to the top, and this will be shown at the top. Click Save Menu and refresh the page to notice the changes. Now sometimes we have to create sub pages. For example, if we have multiple services, we want those services to display under this services link. So for that you need to create some more pages for services. Let's go add new pages. Say this is service 1, publish it, add another page for service 2. Let's say your company provides these two services. Now get to your menu and add these two pages into your menu. Now drag these two pages under the services and save menu. This will create these two links to add separately in the menus. But what we want is that we want these two pages under this services link. So getting back and drag both of these pages to the right. Now save the menu and refresh the website. Now you have them under services tab. So no matter how many services you provide, you will just keep adding these pages under the services tab. Now we've created a menu, but there's no logo to the store. Click on customize, header and site identity. Click select logo, upload files, select a logo file, click skip cropping, and the logo has been added to your site. But now this store name does not need to be here, it's just a placeholder for the logo. So scroll down and uncheck this box, display site title. You can vary the width of this logo from here. So now our header seems to be complete, a menu, a logo. Click publish, and this is now what we have. So this is how we create menus and submenus in WordPress. But as you can see, this menu is really vague and simple in its look and feel. On professional websites, we mostly use mega menus, or even if we use linear menus like this, we expand our design instincts to make them look better. I'll create a video now to create mega menus, or how to make these linear menus more visually appealing. But that's all for this video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon next to it to receive the notification for the latest videos. See you in the next video.